Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to hollow out text in Photoshop step by step. So let's begin. First open your Photoshop, then create a new layer, right click, type any text. Example, use press Ctrl T on your keyboard, hold Shift draw, hold Ctrl, select on the background layer, align middle. Then step 1, double click to this text layer, blending options, fill opacity 0 and use stroke, choose stroke color, example use black, size, positions inside or center. Okay, and apply step 2. See this normal text and see this hollow edited text. Simply click any text, edited or normal text, then right click on your mouse, convert to shape, then click on the shape tool. Without fill, use only stroke, increase or decrease stroke line. Okay, then again apply the same process. So select layer 1 and layer 2. See this shape text. Example use shape text, then right click on your mouse, select direct selection tool or path selection tool. Select any text and move anywhere. Edit it. Apply to the same process for another text. Right click on your mouse, convert to shape, apply the same way. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.